They said, find a beautiful beach. I said, easy. Have a look at that. Port Wollonga, 45 minutes from Adelaide, the Fleurieu Peninsula, the coastal playground of Adelaide. My favourite spot in Port Wollonga, the Star of Greece restaurant. The food and wine is divine and the view is even better. And of course, the Wollonga Farmers Markets. This place is foodie heaven. Open every weekend, this is a must-do when exploring South Australia's Fleurieu Peninsula. Look at that. That is amazing. Organic too, which is really beautiful. What have you got here?
Alpaca.
Interesting.
Just to be a little bit different.
That's good. No, really good.
I grew these, fermented old school German way.
What a breakfast, huh? Tell you what.
Thank you.
Pleasure. I've had an action-packed day and I thought I'd finish it off with one of my favourite wines from Mollyduca. And why wouldn't I? Look at that. The rolling hills, the vineyards, the gorgeous coastline, the markets. I've done it all in a day. Imagine what you could do over a weekend. A market for me is dangerous because I'm like a man with 10 arms. I just want to buy everything. So on the way out, I think I'll need to get my cash out.